So there is, I'm gonna put this first shelf in here. I'm gonna do that. We got that done. Next steps is I have to put the other set of panels on here, just like those. Uh-oh, there we go. There. I think that completes the, oh, no, I think we need to put the bottom on. Yeah, stuck to the floor. We have to put the bottom on, I think. Let's check. So, we're done with number 10. Skip the page. Yep, now we gotta put the bottom on. So let's do that. We're done with number 10. Skip the page. Yep, now we gotta put the bottom on. So let's do that. Ah! Okay. Oh, I have to take another break. Okay, I'm back. I'm gonna try to line this up again. My body just starts to yell at me, and I have to stop because it can get very painful for me. Yeah. Okay, don't come off. This is why they suggest 2 people. I miss the days when I was younger and could do all this kind of stuff, no problem. Now my body's like, nope, we don't like it, don't do it. And I'll probably be playing for this tomorrow. I hope not. I have errands to run tomorrow. Kind of. Okay, we're done. So now we're supposed to put these I'm not sure. It says these screws go in here. It says these screws go in here, but I'm trying to find. Okay, so we have to put these in here. 2 of them, only 2 of them so far. I don't know, it only shows 2 there. We'll see. Be the anchor. Must be an anchor to keep it more together. It does not want to screw in there. Okay, and then one goes this way. Okay. Now, let's see what we have to do now. Oh, I have to get off my legs. Uh. Now we have to do 13. We need 4 number 5s and 1 F board. 4 number 5s and 1 F board. But I need another break. I'm going to take a whole lunch break because I got that far and it's almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon and I haven't had lunch. So let's go take a lunch break. Off to the kitchen to get some lunch. We're off to the kitchen to get some lunch. While I'm waiting for my lunch to cook in the air fryer, I realized, I'm looking at the directions again, this needs to get set up. It's time to put the shelves on. So, I have to clear out all of that because that's where it's going. So let's do that. While we're waiting for, well, I'm waiting for it to tell me to check it, so I put the cheese on. So let's put this up where it's gonna go. Put all the parts. Oh, I was supposed to put those pads on the bottom. That's what I was supposed to do. I'm supposed to put these on the bottom. Don't really need to because it's going on the carpet, but okay. So the pads are on the bottom. Here's the pads. Now we gotta finish clearing this out. I made a big mistake. I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you. I always say I'll keep my channel and my content real. You see the problem with those? I put that shelf upside down, so I have to flip that one around. First, gotta check on lunch. Yes, this is what we're having for lunch today. And I made my handy dandy little grabbers. I can just move them around, stir these around. Flip this over. Ah, don't fall apart. I'm gonna put cheese on there. Cheese is on. Goes back in. And finishes 7 minutes till lunch. This is my favorite way now to cook my meals, is in this little air fryer that my daughter got for me. It's great.